Hi guys, happy Monday and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayo and welcome once again to Ayo's Craft. Today I'm going to be commencing my 1 week DIY jeans upcycle series. Now today I'm going to be making a guess what? I'm going to be making a jean throw pillow. It's really easy to do. Really, anybody can do it, even though unfortunately I don't know why I struggled trying to fix the zip. It's almost like I forgot what I was trying to do, but anyway, the video is really quite easy to do. You can make it. It's just take pieces of jeans in certain sizes, patch them together and sew a throw pillow, and voila, you're done. Now let me just show you a glimpse of what. So this is what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Isn't this beautiful? I love this, love this pillow. This pillow is definitely going to my bedroom. Anyway, so all you need to make these throw pillows are, you need jean fabric. You can have as many pieces. I think I had about 5 different jeans here that I cut. So you can use, you need jean fabric, you need a measuring tape, you need a lining. That is optional actually. You don't have to use a lining, but I use the lining in my case. You need scissors and you also need a sewing machine. Now if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by, but please subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And for my old subscribers, thank you for watching, thank you for coming back. I love you all. Now let's get started on the tutorial. So you cut 2 pieces of your lining, each 27 long and 17 wide. So after doing that, you cut your jeans and you cut 10 pieces. So I have them in different jeans. I do have a lot of blue jeans. Anyway, I wear mostly blue jeans. So you cut 10 pieces of rectangles, each 6 inch by 17 inch. You cut 10 of it. This is the lining on one side. So I'm going to take the jeans and line them on top. So I'm going to put this right. Let me start with the lighter one instead. So I'm going to put that one here. Let me take the black and I'm going to put this on top, like probably like an inch into it. And I would sew it down. I'm not going to fold it. I'll just sew it directly on it. So do the same thing. So I'm going to sew it all the way down, right? And when I'm done sewing it down, I would fray the jean on, you know, each of this side. So that will now give me, I'll do this 5 for the front and another 5 for the back, so it will give me 2 rectangle. Let me just show you what it would look like. Alright, so this is what it's going to look like after I have sewn and frilled the edges, as you can see. So after doing that, we'll go to the next step of applying our zips and then joining the 3 corners. So I initially wanted to put the zip here, but I'm just looking for an easy way. The zip isn't long enough, so I'm thinking that I will put the zip rather here. So that's on this other part. So this is what I'm going to do now. This is the zip, right? So I'll take one of the sides, right, flip it upside down. I think I'm doing the wrong thing. Oh god, this is sorry, this is the zipper facing up. This is the front side of the throw pillow and this is the back. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it here, as in line it straight up, right? If you want, you can use a pin to hold it down and then run a stitch. Do not sew on the zipper because you will destroy it can break the needle, but sew on top like that, and I'll show you why I said so. So I have taken it to the machine and I have sewn on top. This is why I did that, so that when it's flipped over to the correct side, this is what we have. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the other one, with this facing down. I'm going to take one side up. I'm going to take this side. This facing, I'm going to take this side. To do the same thing, I'm going to sew. Okay, so now I've actually run a stitch across. So if I open that, this is what you would see. Fortunately, I didn't align it properly, but that's okay. Then I put a bit of allowance on both sides, so I should be able to still get a good size. So that's it, opened, and that's it, closed. So now taking it back, like so, I'm now going to run a stitch on here, run a stitch here, here. So I'm going to run a stitch here. So basically I'm closing the pillowcase now. So I'll run a stitch here, run another one here, and then run the final one here, and making sure that it is properly aligned. So after that, your throw pillow is finished. So let me go ahead and sew it, and then I'll show you the finished. So alright, I have sewn here, here and here. That is to close the pillowcase. Also, I also just snipped the edges, this corner here as well. I also forgot to mention that before you sew that part, try to leave a little bit of space here. Try to leave a little bit, as in open the zip a bit, because I now had difficulties trying to open the zip later on. So let's open it. And I guess maybe because it's maybe because it's iron zip. So you simply unzip it. And then now turn it over. So simply put in your pillow, and this is basically what it looks like. So this is one side and this is the other side. Alright guys, thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next Upcycle series. Bye bye.